Hi everyone, my name is Otto Warner, and welcome to my course, Administering the Salesforce Desktop and Mobile Applications. I'm a digital marketing consultant with over a decade of experience implementing and integrating sales and marketing technologies, and if you're unfamiliar with how to set up and administer the Salesforce mobile app or the Salesforce Outlook integration, this course will give you an overview on how to get started with both. In this course, we'll show you the steps involved within Salesforce to enable, configure, and administer both the Salesforce mobile application as well as the Outlook integration for your organization. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to manage branding elements, navigation, notifications, and other settings in the Salesforce mobile app, how to enable the Salesforce Outlook integration, how to manage the settings and configuration for both Outlook integration as well as the Outlook Lightning Sync, and a brief primer on some of the configuration requirements that are necessary within your Exchange server from Microsoft in order to enable that Outlook integration. By the end of this course, you'll be familiar with all mobile application settings and configuration options, as well as understand how to enable and make the Outlook integration and Lightning Sync available to your organization's users within Outlook. We suggest logging into your own Salesforce instance and following along with this course to help familiarize yourself with the platform. I hope you'll join me in learning more about Salesforce administration in the Administering Salesforce Desktop and Mobile Applications course here on Pluralsight.